What if you could map an entire property, every contour, every potential risk, in under an hour? GIS turns complex sites into clear, usable information, helping clients understand what's happening on the ground, below the surface, and across an entire property.
We handle anything to do with mapping, surveying, any kind of visual data we might use for all departments, really.
So with that, you can get a really detailed topography. We're talking hundreds of millions of points very quickly.
The final outputs can include high-resolution orthophotos, digital surface models, point clouds, contours, topographic maps, drainage models, and volumetric calculations. This process can support many different industries and project types. In this case, BluMetric is using GIS and drone survey data to better understand the conditions of this site.
We are flying a few drones over a property to get a detailed topography and orthomosaic. They take images. Those images overlap by about 70%, and then they use a system called photogrammetry. For this client in particular, they are looking for the topography that will tell them the direction of groundwater flow, that'll also tell them the direction of surface water flow, so that they're better able to map plume direction.
We can use it for just getting a general idea of like what the terrain is, which they can then use with our water services team for determining if there's contaminants where it might go, waste where it might also be leaching towards, and just general health of the site.
For developers, municipalities, industrial sites, mines, quarries, and environmental projects, this data helps answer important questions before decisions are made.
BluMetric is a full-service environmental solutions company. We do environmental engineering, we do hydrogeology, industrial hygiene. What really sets us apart is our dedication to the client. We are not too small, but we're also not too big. We're not a massive conglomerate that won't care, but we are big enough that we can provide a full suite of services.
We really do put our clients first. We want to do the best job we can, and we've got the people on staff that do those jobs really, really well.
It truly is a better environment for business.
We give you the data you need to move your project forward with confidence. From field data to final decision-making, BluMetric helps clients see the full picture.